I'm gonna show you in this Blender for complete beginners how you can add thickness to your objects, a cube, a sphere. So let's jump right into this video, and if you learned something, make sure you subscribe and like this video. This will really help a lot this small YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. Now what you have to do first, here we have this cube. Let's tab so we can go in edit mode, and here I'll select 3 or press 3 on the keyboard, and we can also click here to select face, press X, and here select face. I'm gonna delete this face, and now we don't have any thickness. So in this if you are in this position, what you can do in Blender, you can do a couple of things. First, click A to select everything and press on your keyboard Alt plus A, and then here select extrude faces along normals, and now you can add thickness, as you can see. Now if thickness is not really symmetrical, but you can here, from here you see you can have even thickness, and you just have to press an Alt or S, because there's some times when this will not look good, but if you press Alt, this will fix the problem, just so you know. Now we have thickness, as you can see, but maybe guys, we have also, let me actually add sorry, press N, and I'll click on here screen. You can see which, actually let me increase this. I'm really sorry for this, so you can see in color, maybe it's better this. I like this. And now if I press Shift plus A and add a UV sphere and move it on the Y axis, and actually I shouldn't add this sphere in edit mode, because now this is just two, they're like not separated, but you can separate them if you want, like this. But anyways, that's not a tutorial for how you can separate. But anyways, if you want me, I'll create a tutorial on how you can separate objects. But now if we press Alt plus Z, and I'll just, you know, press X, and then I'll just delete all the faces here. I'll cut this cube in half, press Alt plus Z again. Now we don't see and don't have thickness here, and I'm gonna use the same method. Press A, not A, but just like this, and press Alt plus A, and should face along normals. This will actually work, but anyways, you just have make sure you select this correctly, and it will just work just fine. Alt plus Z, and now it will work. But this method will not work every single time, and maybe you have let's say you have a cube. Gonna add a cube again, and on this Y axis right here, Y axis, and I have this cube, and I'll just right click and subdivide this cube. And now maybe this extrude, E for extrude, and now you like to add thickness to, maybe let's say I delete this face, delete this face, and this face. And if you are in this situation, maybe how can you add thickness? So you can absolutely just select everything and try the same method I showed you before, and Alt plus Z extrude, which can work, but it's not really, doesn't really look good, as you can see. There's not like, the lines aren't not sharp or straight. But we can try this. So now if we try again Alt plus E, we can press on A, but will still not look good, as you can see. So in this case, if you're in this situation, let's go back. we have to use a modifier, which is a very nice and simple and really easy to use modifier. So we can click on here, modifiers, we click on add modifier, and here we have the Solidify modifier. Click on that. Now if we look, if you pay attention here, and we can go here, if we go here, and look what's going on right now. You can even click on here, even thickness. So look, now this will add thickness. Everything is perfect. So yeah, this can really save you a lot of time. So yeah guys, I really hope you found this tutorial helpful. I really hope this helped you in your journey of learning Blender. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you're gonna have a fantastic day. Take care.